Take the tail light out. You gotta clip its veins off. You can't open the trunk, you gotta make a hole. Oh crap! You missed! What the heck? Harder!